Hi, this is a short video about MBR and GPT. To check if you use GPT or MBR, just click on the drive you want to check, and Properties, then Hard Drive, and double-click on the drive name. On the pop-up Windows, click on Volume, then Populate. You should see if you use GPT or MBR. You need to make a choice between MBR and GPT. You might be asking yourself, what is difference between GPT or MBR? Well, many computer users do not know which one to choose when they try to install new Windows or new hard drive, since Windows does not provide extra useful information about them. But don't worry. Today, we will offer an elaborate introduction of MBR versus GPT to help you make a wise final choice. If you have new hard drive, you should go with GPT. But if your hard drive is old and is lower than 2 TB, use MBR. GPT supports disks larger than 2 TB size, while MBR can go maximum 2 TB. The GPT disk partitioning style supports volumes up to 18 exabytes in size and up to 128 partitions per disk, while the MBR disk partitioning style supports volumes up to 2 TB in size and up to 4 primary partitions per disk, or 3 primary partitions, 1 extended partition, and unlimited logical drives. GPT disk provides greater reliability due to replication and cyclical redundancy check (CRC) protection of the partition table. Unlike MBR, partition disks, data critical to platform operation is located in partitions instead of unpartitioned or hidden sectors. Windows can only boot from GPT on UEFI-based computers running 64-bit versions of Windows 10, 8, 7, Vista, and corresponding server versions. All versions of Windows 10, 8, 7, and Vista can read GPT drives and use them for data, they just can't boot from them without UEFI. All Windows editions, except Windows XP 32-bit, are data compatible with disk with GPT partitioning scheme. All 32-bit Windows version, including Windows 10 32-bit, are not system compatible with disk using GPT partitioning plan. 64-bit Windows versions, starting from Windows Vista 64-bit, are system compatible with GPT disk. Of course, UEFI is required.